Hi, this is Paul. Welcome to my golf cave. I was asked recently if I still use the gem, and the answer to that is yes. From time to time, especially if I feel like my swing is sort of going wonky, I do put the gem on. Typically, I'll throw it on like here. I think it's 7 or 8 iron, an 8 iron, and I will just take swings, make sure that it's set up correctly, that I feel like I'm in line, and then through. And what I feel is that the toe of the club in the follow through is closing very quickly. That's not my normal swing. It just because my normal swing would be going out more like that. So with this, with the gem attached, I do take a look initially, make sure I'm not closed, make sure I'm not open. I'm looking good here. And when I go through, it's not so much me making that motion as it is having the gem on here. So just gets me in a good feeling for my swing. Not going to hit a ball with this on. You don't want to do that with this long rod. You actually can take the rod off. It takes a few seconds. And you can leave this on here. You can leave that on. And then you can take a swing. I don't know if I've got this set up correctly. I'm just going to capture it, but you can take a swing. And there you go. My normal swing path would yield actually yield a draw. So for me to even see something like this is quite amazing. Good strike. I like it. You can see all the numbers down there as well. So that's typically what I do to warm up. I might end up hitting 10, 15, 20, 30 shots, and then we'll go to GS Pro and play a golf course. Hi, this is Paul, and welcome to my golf cave. Today I'm going to play 2 holes at Greywolf Golf Course. Absolutely gorgeous scenery. Before I do that, I just want to show you something I'm working on. Over here, we can do this correctly. I have a PC case. You're going to be building a PC, I'm calling it non-cash PC, but I have a PC case. And I have a RAM in my PC case. I have down here a cooler, and then coming over, I have one more thing. I have a power supply, and back over there, plugged into the laptop, I have my 4 terabytes. Now, having said all that, I still need to buy the so it's going to take me probably another, I'm doing this on a budget, probably another month and a half, 2 months before I put together my PC. I'll probably share my thought trying to put it together. It will probably take me hours, so that I'll make it better. Anyway, see, the reason why I'm doing that is because Greywolf Golf Course is an excellent course full of graphics. As you'll see shortly, my laptop has a tough time using now, I'm not made of money or anything, so I have been saving for the last probably 3 months to buy piece by piece. That's what I'm calling Johnny Cash piece. Anyway, enough talking. Let's play Greywolf. Par 4. And what you'll notice is I have a I haven't found my larger tee yet. I hit a drive, and it went off that way. My room is not too much of a mess. Not too much of a mess. But I can't find my tee. So I'm using a shorter tee, which does not work well with this driver. But I have to stand a little bit further forward because if I swing too up, I'm going to catch the bottom of this. See what we can do here. 381 is the fourth hole, Greywolf. Fairly decent strike. All right. Got very good distance off of not too much swing speed. That's because of the elevation of this course, and I believe it's going downhill here. 145 is the distance going yards downhill. So, this one's tough. I think I'm going to hit an easy 8-iron. And when I say easy, I'll probably end up far short. But if I hit a 9-iron, I don't know if I'm going to get it there. So, 8-iron. Good strike. Good strike. It's fairly good distance. Just not in line. And 14 yards, ever so slightly uphill, so shouldn't have to worry about that. Just get a good strike, lean forward a little bit. Get up there. Not enough, not enough. 8 feet 2 inches, basically going straight, hardly uphill. You get about 3/4 of the way, actually about 80% or so up there. Hit it straight, Paul. Barely dropped. Good. Take a par on that, and I believe we're moving to a par 3. 123. Right. 123. Not so much uphill or downhill. Just have to hit this straight, see the water off to the left-hand side there. Hopefully I won't have to contend with that. Good strike. I don't know if you noticed some of the stuttering there. Stuttering by me and stuttering by the laptop, but that's what I'm getting at. I turned down the graphics to like a medium setting. So not even getting the best picture here, and the reason is because if I had it towards a higher ultra setting, you literally watch the ball get stuck in the air. So again, the reason for PC, I built a PC, oh my god, 20 plus years ago. Last time I built a PC, it's amazing the progress that's been made over that time period, especially with the graphics card. My anticipation is putting a 4070 Ti, a 4080, or a 4080 Super. I'm looking at all to those graphic cards with the hope that I can future-proof a little bit. So I might have to save up for another few weeks to sell a few items on eBay. 38 feet 5 inches. have a control board. I don't know if you can see it in the camera's view, but will allow me to use a joystick to go from left to right. I can also take a mulligan. I can do a flyover, things like that. The joystick is, I need to make it so it's not going to move so fast one way or the other. There's most likely a setting for that. 38.5 feet going downhill. Gonna have to be careful here. Slow down, slow down, slow down. I'm in hitting range. Thank you for joining me in my golf cave today. I enjoyed playing these two holes. Any recommendations as far as building the PC before I complete it, just putting it together, whatever. I appreciate just any comments. Thank you very much. Catch you later.